Right, the news continues on News Hour, and to other news also making headlines of these special holidays. The fight against insecurity in the volatile North Rift region has received a major boost after the Catholic bishops launched the Church Reconciliation Initiative aimed at sustaining lasting peace in the troubled North Rift region. Now, the move follows 2 months of gun silence in Elgeyo Marakwet, Baringo, and of course, Turkana counties. Our reporter Brenda Zeda Radido paints a picture of how more than 120 people died in the hands of bandits in that region, and thousands of livestock was also stolen.
For decades, the North Rift region has been hard hit by insecurity challenges, forcing the government to address issues of cattle rustling, a criminal activity that has resulted in hundreds of fatalities and displacement of communities. Even though the horror pictures of violence still linger on, residents of the volatile region have a story to tell. More than 120 people have died in the North Rift and thousands of livestock stolen, according to authorities.
A discussion around the question of participation by leaders in fueling the crisis and the instability in the region. And those leaders continue to enjoy their positions in the government or in political scene, and we are not calling them out. How are we going to achieve that peace? I think it is time for us to call those people.
People can't live here. That is why we decided to make it a conformity.
Our cleared report records nearly 250 political violence events and 240 reported fatalities from 1st January to 24th March 2023. Garissa County saw the highest number of reported fatalities with 37. Turkana County followed with 27 reported fatalities. Pastoralist militias were connected to 30% of reported fatalities.
It can no longer be business as usual to continue shedding innocent blood, while leaders who are benefiting, while some business operatives who are benefiting from that kind of a business along the Kerio Valley continue to live in peace, and the government continues to witness this.
To strengthen government efforts of peace building in the volatile region, members of the Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops from 6 Catholic dioceses on Wednesday launched a peace initiative dubbed North Rift Peace Initiative. The initiative will bring together government, religious groups, and locals from the banditry-prone region in sustaining calm by reconciling warring communities.
Promoting dialogue between communities, disarmament initiatives, addressing historical grievances, and fostering inclusive governance. Efforts to promote peaceful coexistence should involve engagement with community leaders.
Investing in development programs, infrastructure, education, and healthcare will help alleviate poverty, improve living conditions, and reduce competition over scarce resources.
Chairman of Catholic Justice and Peace Department, Bishop John Obala, says the church is ready to start reconciliation. He cited scarcity of resources, ethnicity, retrogressive cultures, and selfish politics for the runaway conflicts in the north.
Facilitating dialogue and mediation processes is crucial for bringing conflicting parties together to understand each other's perspectives.
According to the Catholic bishops, restoring calm in the North Rift will require a multifaceted approach which involves participation of all stakeholders and should be accompanied with reconciliation and good governance. Brenda Zeda Radido, K10 News.
Now, just some very sad